Alright!
It is I!
Alright!
Manong Jairen! Back at it again with Alak Tutorials. For today, isa pa, ano yung nakita?
Isa pa daw.
Sasampahin na kayo. Ang hirap sa paglasing. Brand new episode of Alak Tutorials, and today's halo is Gin Yakult. Yun na, Gin Yakult. Yan na yung pangalan na halo.
Oh, of course, it's me, your little boy, kids. I'm back at it again with a brand new costume and brand new sunglasses here with Banana Man. And I don't care who the frick it is, but it's me, your little boy, Kirizama.
Ayos yun, Tol.
We need Bitchel! Mga kaugoy.
Of course, we need to.
Ayos yun, Tol.
We also need
We also need the spatula.
Yakult!
Yeah, let's go.
Buong pack! Nasa na iba? So,
Boy, but okay.
we also need 7-Up!
Oh, it's rolling. They see me rolling.
They hate him!
They see me riding dirty. They see me riding dirty. Oh, yeah!
Close mo kasi.
Who the heck did that?
Tayo mag-ano.
So, napakalupit na technical difficulties ang nangyari. Sumabog yung 7-Up.
Hindi abot.
So, kalahati nitong 7-Up.
Wait. Yan na muna. Okay.
Need more. What? Next is buong Yakult. Uy, lagyan natin buong Yakult. Uy,
Ah,
ikaw maglagay ng buong Yakult.
ito Yakult. Boy, hindi ko siya mabuksan.
Wala nga.
Okay, nasa na yung iba?
Rick G, ano ba kailangan natin gawin dito?
Let's start rolling.
Right now, yeah, right now.
The ultimate mixing master, Rick G! Nasaan ka na?
Let's start rolling.
Siyempre, it's not an Alak Tutorials without, siyempre, kailangan natin alak. Paano naman ito magiging Alak Tutorials kung wala namang alak?
Alak na naman!
The bar gin. Hindi pink, hindi lime, plain the bar gin.
Oy, ang galing! Napagpatong ko! What the heck?
Ayos yun, Tol.
Ay, ano inaabot mo?
Okay.
You reaching my banana?
What are you fucking gay?
Siyempre, we have to do the hashtag Ignite, mga kaunggoy.
Hashtag so releva. 4 5 and the crucial part.
Dali na!
Halo. Uy! Sayang! Sayang!
Go. Tandaan lang.
Nandun ko naman.
What are you fucking gay?
Take note. Ang hirap talaga paglasing yung kasama mo. Siyempre, we need, it's not an inuman. Siyempre, we need something cold.
Oh yeah, brace for impact! And hard things on the table! Brace for impact! Brace for the freaking impact! What have you done? What have you done?
Disaster. Okay, abutin mo yan. Rick G, nasan ka na? Hindi ko kaya bantayan tong lasing na to.
Let's start rolling.
Shoutout nga pala sa mga taong to. So habang nagiinuman kami or whatever, may kita nyo mga pangalan nyo, comment down dito. Siyempre, kailangan din natin ng pulutan! Boss! Ayos yun, Tol.
Ayos yun, Tol.
Meron tayong teriyaki chicken and
Teriyaki!
Lobster.
Lobster!
Lobster.
Pork And as we know, its net weight is 100 grams with 3.5 ounce. Yeah. Ingredients, whole daily body percent.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang talaga yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. So, taste! Test! So, ayun nga, here's your shot. Siyempre, maliit na lang dapat shot mo kasi nakakatakot ka na. What the heck?
Palit kami ng shot.
Ano? Babae.
Is this your phone?
Patulong dito ah.
Yung sa amin.
Ang hirap na
Kaya
din.
yung sarili niya.
Hindi ko kaya. So, lalasahan na natin.
Taste this. Wait, cheers. Cheers for Rick J, who's not here.
Wow!
Oh, it
Whoa.
tastes like a cold. Door.
Buksan.
Open sesame. Oh, there you are.
So, hindi namin maintindihan. Gin Yakult. So, gin Yakult, pero hindi naman lasang Yakult. Lasang matabang na ewan na Yakult. Matabang na Yakult. Ewan. Pero you can still feel the sizzling flavor of the 7-Up. So, yun nga yung masabi ko. So, para sa akin, damihan niyo yung 7-Up kung konti talaga yung Yakult nyo. Or kung konti 7-Up nyo, damihan nyo ng Yakult. Sa tingin ko sa lahat ng mga Yakult-based halo, 2 packs ng Yakult dapat meron kayo sa arsenal niyo para in case lang.
In case of emergency.
Okay, ang i-rating ko, ito muna mag-rate.
I rate it 7 because it tastes like Yakult that's not sweet. Yeah. So I rate it 7.
Para sa akin, 7.5. At least it's not bitter, pero matabang. Hashtag sorry liver para sa inyo mga kaunggoy. Siyempre pag umiinom kayo kawawa liver ninyo. So, take responsibility lang ninyo.
So shoutout na lang sa mga nag-flash screen. As you know, it's our tradition not to shout it out because our phones are always low bat, you know.
Pero may mga iba kaming Arak Tutorials episode na i-shoutout namin.
Yeah.
5 special kaunggoy na i-shoutout namin every video.
But thank you for your continued support for our channel and hashtag road to 20k. We're already 18k. Thank you for the support. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Where did you gonna go?
And that's the bottom line! Because Manong Gyra said so. Hey.
And Girizama! Taste this! Toast! Hashtag, nasan ka na, Rick G?
Shot!
Hashtag, GC Sponsor G.
Shot!
Hashtag, Deep Down Squad, Hoodgun Network, whatever it is. So let's shot!
Peace!
Peace!